I am Vandala Doubloons, captain of the Salty Spectre, fiercest ghost pirate on the haunted seas. And I'm very seasick. Come on, Vandala, get it together. Nobody likes a seasick pirate. Solids! You have solids on your boat!
Vandala, it's okay. They're, nice solids.
You're sure they're not here to haunt me? Because I have been handling a lot of cursed treasure lately.
Spectra, if this is how ghosts at Haunted High are going to react to us, no,